Yep, it's me, Jenny B, and I am going to do my nails with the Color Play by Color Straight subscription box. So this is June's subscription box. I'm excited. I'm sure I've had sneak peeks on Facebook, but I don't remember. So that is a surprise. So I'm going to open this. My link to everything is down below in the description. So this is Hot Tropics, June 2024. And ooh, look at that. The bonus item is earrings. I love myself a statement earring, so that's fun. Ooh, look at that. So let's see what I want to put on. And oh, it looks like there's blue light in the fun, so glows in black light. That's it. Glows in black light. I can't talk today, but I never can, so hey, that's fine. Oh, super cute. Okay. The nail file, as always. Ooh, comes in a cute little box. Earrings. Oh, those are cute. Oh, yeah. I'll totally rock those. I love myself a statement earring. Okay. And the prep pad, we'll be using that bad boy. And the fluff. Okay, so some French tips. Ooh, that is pretty. Ooh, that's maybe the one that's going on. Oh, or the orange. Oh, the orange. Oh, or the pink. Oh my God. Okay, yeah, well, I love them all. What can I say? That's fun too. Ooh, fun. Ooh. Okay. Am I going to get fancy with it? Probably not. Oh, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just going to put everything back in the box, except for the set that I want to use, which will be, I'm going to go with the orange. Okay. So open these bad boys up. This is called Sunkissed. Just going to cut the end because it's easier. And then I slide it out. That way I can, well, easier said than done. Slide it out. This is a full size package. So the typical sets, the standard sets come with 2 sheets, just like this. I'm only going to need 1 because my nails are short. I already have the nail strengthener and the ridge filling primer on my nails. I've had them on for a couple days. And when I'm done using them, let's just bounce all over the place because just that's how I'm working today. I just slide it back in here and then I can save the rest by flat ironing the edge, and it works most of the time. So just have to be careful on how much you know, how well you flat iron it. And I am going to just save those little extras. Is that bigger? Oh, whatever, it's fine. So that's the nail strip. Peel off little plastic coating. And let's get in a little bit more. There we go. So it's dry to the touch. Sticky on the other side. So I'm going to anchor it back onto the paper, if you can see. That way I have something to grip onto. And then I'm going to put it on. I usually just stick it somewhere there. Smooth down the middle to the sides, and voila. Fast and easy nails. Kind of wrap it around the edge if I have a nail edge, and then kind of press. And we'll clean up the other spots by just doing this. My nail edge, and it wipes off. There we go. Ta-da! And then the other one, pull the tab. Did you see me do that? If not, I'll do another one. But press, take the paper, smooth to the edges, down the middle, wrap it around the edge, and then press in. And then it sticks to me. There we go. I'm using just my nail edge. The file works really well with this too. Oh, I forgot to use this. We'll just do it now. I just washed my hands, so it should be good, but this will help remove any extra oils. Oh, might as well get it on that. There we go. Okay, let's do this again. Clear thing comes off. Anchor it onto the paper. This will fit my ring finger. Smooth. Press right underneath the nail edge. And there's a little bit on my, there we go. Smooth everything down, make sure it's not on the skin. Okay, so the other side, I'm gonna adjust it to the paper, pull the tab, then you have another rounded edge for the other side. And here we go. And if I clean up as I go, and I don't have to mess with the file until after everything hardens, which will be like a half hour. So I am going to skip the middle finger because I'm going to use the larger one for it. So I already peeled off the clear. I'm going to skip right to my index finger. Smooth everything down. That is so pretty. Peel the edge off, get it stuck to my finger because that's how I work. Stretches a little if you're careful. Make sure all the corners are so it doesn't lift up before it dries. Subscription box is so fun. It's only 30 bucks. You saw all those sets you get, so it's definitely saves you money if you want to be surprised and like all the fun colors and, you know, stuff like that. If you're not picky on what you wear on your nails. But I'm always happy with what I get in there. There we go. Oh yeah, did good. Oh, there we go. And then I'm going to use the larger of the two. See if this will fit on both nails. If not, then I will. That one's wider. I'm going to start with this one. That fit nicely there. I think it'll fit. I'm going to put that on there so I don't wrinkle it. There we go. I'm going to save that, clean that up on the other side. And that is too short, I think. Looks way too short. Yeah, look, the tip is not there. So I am not going to use that. Whoop. I'll use this one. And let's see if I can stretch it to fit it better. If not, I think you can always do it sideways, but that's too short. Or almost too short. So I'm going to put that on there in the corner. I'll take the paper off because I am going to try to debubble and then stretch it a little bit. There we go. And if I do this, voila. Do I have? No, I took, oh, no, I do. This is my favorite cuticle pusher for it because then the rubber tip smooths. And I can just press, just like I did on the edge, right underneath, so I'm not scraping at the nail. And I can just smooth out the edges that my finger can't get to. Oh, so pretty. Oh, right here. So then I'm just going to, because my nail's weird, but I have a nail. If you're wondering what I'm talking about, I damaged my nails pretty good a couple years ago. That's why I've been a little lazy on my uploads for my channel, because I've just been doing Color Street on them. I did do dip nails in January. I had never uploaded the video, so you may be seeing that soon. There we go. And that's it. I'm gonna clean my spot. I do like to top it off with the plumping top coats, if I can find it here. There it is. I love this stuff. So here it is before. And then it's a nice little coat. I'm a hairstylist, so I personally like an extra top coat on my nails. It gives it extra shine, which is always fun, but it gives me extra protection as well. So then they can last me like 2 weeks if I let it. Oh, I love those sparkles. That color's beautiful. Oop, there we go. Obviously, I get quiet. Get that off. Okay. Ooh, so the pumping top coat. Love this stuff. Okay. Put it back. So that's it. Voila. See? Can you tell? Just a little extra plumping action. Nice. So that's it. So I've been filming for just over 13 minutes. And that is with the unboxing. So how about that? So pretty quick. Quick and easy. If you want more information, my email will be in the description. You can email me. Join my Facebook VIP group. All that's down below. Follow me on Instagram. All that good stuff. Thank you so much. I will see you next time. Hopefully I'll be filming regularly again. We'll see. We'll see. So hit that notification bell so be notified when I do upload a new video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much. I appreciate you all, and I will see you next time. Toodaloo.